So there's something special about polytunnels. I don't know what it is. I don't know what causes it. Viewers with a bit more of a background in psychology than me might be able to answer this question. But when you go in a polytunnel, a kind of wave of relaxation kind of just sweeps over you. It's something to do with the privacy of it, something to do with the diffuse light that you get in a polytunnel. You know, that kind of feeling of being outside but not outside. That feeling of kind of fresh air but warmth and security. I don't know what it is, but it really is a special place to be. I know that some farmers have talked about this, how, you know, at whatever time of year it is, that the polytunnel is always the favourite place that everybody wants to do the harvesting or just working in general. I was always a bit of a snob when it came to gardening spaces. This was before I was a gardener. You know, I would look at these amazing greenhouses like the one in the botanical gardens in Edinburgh. Absolutely beautiful. But when you walk in them, it's just kind of like a warm version of outside. When I went inside the polytunnel in, again, Edinburgh's botanical gardens, I was just in love. You know, the feeling of being in it, this magical feeling, you know, just transformed me. And I knew then I needed the biggest polytunnel I could fit onto my plot. And now, to be honest, there's no place inside space perhaps that I like to be more than just sitting here in this deck chair in the polytunnel. And I love to sit here in winter, and I love to sit here in summer. In summer I do have a shade above me. I love it, and everybody loves it. Everybody feels the same thing when they come in here. A friend of mine just came in, she says, I just love being in here, you know, and it's just true. It's a magical space. So anybody got any ideas? What is it about polytunnels that just make them so special? My name's Steve. This is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.